Welcome to AICompu classes, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to write a code in Python for calculating profit and loss and its corresponding percentage. So let's start. So we are back in our computer screen. Click on file, then new file, and cut this one and full screen. Okay. First of all, I will suggest you to save the file in which you will write the code. Okay, you can save it afterwards also, but it's a good practice. Saving file before writing a code is a good practice, so always save the file before writing a code. Okay, so it's in profit and loss code, so I will just write pro and where is the and? Okay, pro and loss. Okay, you can write anything. One main thing, always use extension.py for saving Python files. Okay, extension means the extension is .py. Okay, save it. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand the logic, means algorithm. So the algorithm is, first of all, for calculating the percentage or calculating the profit and loss, there are two things. One is selling price and second is cost price. Everything you buy is have a selling and cost price. Okay, so let's take an example of a charger. Okay, if you buy the charger from a shopkeeper, about is 500. Okay, approx not assuming 500 rupees, you have bought a charger of 500 rupees. Okay, from a shopkeeper has also bought it from someone, means some big businessman or wholesale market. So the cost for him was 450. Okay, so he bought it in 450 rupees and sell it to you in 500 rupees. So he earned a profit of 50 rupees. If he had sold it for 400, then there will be a loss of 50 rupees. Okay, so you have to just execute this mathematics in the code. Okay, so first we will take input from the user, that please give what is your cost price. So I'm using a variable CP for cost price. Okay, CP equals to, so it can be a decimal value or an integer value. Writing float. Okay, so float will take decimal value also and integer value also. Float input, enter cost price. So the user will here enter cost price. Okay, and then we have to also take selling price. What is your selling price from user? So just write SP selling price. Here SP means selling price, equals to, it will also be a decimal or any true value, fraction value. Just input enter selling price, bracket close. Okay, so we have taken value from user, and after this, what, see, how will I calculate profit or loss? How? In mathematical form, if selling price is greater than cost price, then it is profit is generated. Otherwise, if cost price is greater than selling price, then loss is generated. Okay, and if both are equal, selling price and cost price are equal, then no profit, no loss. Okay, zero profit, zero loss. So these three conditions we have to write here. So first we will write condition for selling profit. So we will just write if SP means selling price is greater than CP means cost price. See, okay, if CP is greater than, if SP is greater than CP, so then what will happen? Profit is generated. So here see, CP means this, the user value that will be entered by the user, and this SP, okay, selling price. So here profit is generated, so profit equals to selling price minus cost price, simple mathematics, okay. And for calculating this percentage, just write and variable name anything not should be relevant, profit percent, okay. I'm naming this variable profit percent equals to, so what is the formula of calculating percentage and profit percentage? Just simple mathematics that we have learned in our class 10th or 8th. So just profit divided by cost price into 100, okay. Formula of calculating profit percentage, okay. And we have to print this value also, that we the profit value and profit percentage value. So here we will print profit, so the value should be in clone profit equals to, let's give a equals to sign, profit. So which value it will be print? This value, the here SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price value. This value will print here. So see, it will fetch the value, see my cursor, it will fetch my value profit from there and it will print here, okay. So just closing the bracket, and for just printing profit percentage also same way, print profit percentage equals to, so this in this time the value, the profit percent value will be printed here. So just write this variable name PROFIT, profit, C profit percent, PERCENT, okay. And just one main thing, not main thing, so we will use a percentage sign for printing. So you can, in double quotation, you can use this percentage symbol, okay, closing the bracket, okay, all good. And the same case goes for loss also, same, but the sign will be inverted. So here cost price should be greater than selling price, then loss will be generated, and same loss equals to cost price minus selling price, and same formula, okay. So just I am writing, then after I am explaining you. Yeah, see, I have written it, okay. See, if selling price would be greater, then the code will run in this loop, and it will see and it will do the calculation part and print the value. If selling price is not greater than cost price, then it will check this condition, is cost price is greater than selling price. If yes, then see, these whole code of block will execute and it will print the value. Otherwise, if both part doesn't match the conditions, then it will print no profit no loss, if it will be equal, okay. So again, so just first run, see any error occurs or it will simply run, okay. Just run it, okay. 14, line number 14, so undetermined string literal detect at line 14, okay. So if you one main thing, you can also find error, pause the video and find error, why it is showing error, you should find, okay. So fine. So see, it was showing at line number 14. See, in this I haven't closed this quotation, okay. So I have to close, I have opened it, I have opened the quotation but I haven't closed, so double quotation, okay. So see, I have closed. Let's see, it will run or again it will show any error. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so for example, just take 4 5 6 and cost price, selling price 987. See, I have generated a profit of 531 and profit percent 116 point something. Okay, see the code run successfully and executed. So this is a very simple and user friendly way of writing code. You can write it in another way. In another way, it will not take this amount of lines to write a code. It will take some few lines, but for beginner level, I think this is a good way to explain how the code will run and how the code will execute and all thing. So again, I am giving an overview, a fast recap. See, first user will enter the input cost price and selling price. It will check is selling price is greater than its cost price, and it will calculate the profit and its corresponding percentage. And if this condition doesn't satisfy, then it will check this condition and it will calculate loss just simply, and just simple mathematical formula for finding cost price and selling price. Okay, and else if no both the conditions doesn't satisfied, then it will print no profit, no loss. So thanks, and this all for today's class. If any question or any doubt remains, so you can ask me, and so bye, have a nice day.